Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show some more capabilities of Azure Monitor. So, in the previous monitor, I've shown how we can monitor our dashboards. Okay, through the pre-existing charts that is present inside the monitoring tab and inside dashboard. Okay, I've also shown how we can create an alert so that we can monitor our pipeline in Azure Data Factory efficiently. Okay, we can open Azure Monitor either from here, or we can search from Azure Monitor in search pane, and this will open. This is the default interface of Azure Monitor. Okay, so uh, go to the diagnostic setting inside settings tab. Okay, so when you click on here, okay, here you will see your subscription. Okay, all the resource group that is present here. Okay, and inside the resource group you will see all the resources. So as you can see, inside my resource group there are two resources, EDF and storage account, and you can see uh, until now diagnostic status is set to disabled. Okay, click on the resource which you want to monitor efficiently. Okay, okay, so what we can do, we can monitor by going inside diagnostic settings. Okay, we can better monitor activity runs, pipeline runs, trigger runs. Okay, they know all the matrices, and then all matrices. Okay, so click on add diagnostic settings. Okay, so you can see that all is been listed down. Okay, and here comes the destination details. So this gives you the facility where you can save our monitoring results to either log analytics workspace, to our storage account, to a event hub, or to our partner solution. So let's give a diagnostic setting a name. So we are monitoring our ADF. Okay, so let's give a name, ADF morning. Okay, so now let's select the categories which we want the metric to save. Okay, we even want all matrices, and the destination, we want to save our all the metrics to Azure storage account. Okay, and I want my matrices to be saved in this storage account. Here you can see retention day 0. Okay, so the 0 means that your matrices will never delete. Okay, here you can see. Okay, however, if we set to 1, the retention policy changes to 1 day, so that after each day it will get deleted. Okay, let's click on save. In the meanwhile, let's uh, let's run the pipeline. Okay, so that some of the matrices gets populated inside our storage account. As you can see, inside my storage account, none of the, apart from input container, none of the container is being present here. Okay, so my pipeline run is in progress. Okay, and it got succeeded. Okay, so let's refresh here. It might take some time to reflect. Okay, so basically it gives the various matrices so that we can save it in our either to log analytics storage account, event hub, or to a partner solution. Okay, so let's click on refresh here. Mm, our pipe. Okay, everything is saved and published also. Let's click on refresh. Let's go back here. So let's wait until a new container with all the information is created, and I will resume the video after that. So it took a bit of time for all the containers to get created. As you can see here, you can see activity run, pipeline run, and trigger runs, and inside matrix containers are created. Okay, these all are the categories that we have selected, such as activity runs, pipeline run, trigger runs, and metric runs. So all this are being populated here. We can go inside each of this metric. Uh, let's go inside pipeline runs. Okay, you can go inside each subscription. Okay, resource group. This is what our resource group providers, Microsoft Data Factory. So for Data Factory, we have launched our diagnostic settings. So it was being populated here. The name of my ADF pipeline. Then comes my year. Then comes my month. Okay, the month it was I've created. Then comes the date. Okay, then comes the hour. Okay, then comes the minute. So here you can see we have this JSON value being stored. So one can query this JSON file to find out the information when the pipeline got succeeded, when it got failed. Okay, name of my pipeline. Okay, it was in progress, succeeded. Okay, so if you want to get a better visualization, okay, the name of my trigger, okay, when it got triggered, okay, the type of trigger, it was scheduled trigger. Okay, so if one wants to get better insight from the pipeline, he can query these JSON files that are being created, okay, to get the better insight. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.